Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Tom and Anna, and we're so happy you're here with us today.
And if you enjoy learning English in a fun, relaxed way,
Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our learning family.
trust me, Anna makes grammar less scary.
And Tom makes mistakes so you don't have to.
Hey!
I'm kidding, kind of.
Okay, let's introduce ourselves quickly. I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
And today, we're talking about something super important.
Present simple versus present continuous.
Sounds scary.
But it's actually very simple once you understand it.
Okay, Anna, let's start easy. What is present simple?
Good question. Present simple is used for things that are always true or happen regularly.
Like habits.
Exactly. Habits, routines, facts.
So if I say, I drink coffee every morning,
Perfect. That's present simple.
because I do it regularly.
Yes. Now let's look at present continuous.
This one has am, is, or are, right?
Yes, and verb plus ing.
So like, I am drinking coffee.
Exactly. And that means you are doing it right now.
Oh, so present simple is general and present continuous is happening now.
Yes, you got it.
Wait, I actually understand this.
I'm proud of you, Tom.
Thank you, Anna. Emotional moment.
Don't cry yet. We still have more grammar.
Okay, let's compare.
Sure.
You say, I work in an office.
Present simple.
I am working in an office.
Present continuous.
But what's the difference in meaning?
Good question. I work in an office means it's your regular job.
Okay,
I am working in an office means maybe right now or temporarily.
oh, like maybe I usually work from home, but today I'm in an office.
Exactly.
That's interesting.
Let's try more examples.
Okay,
She reads books.
present simple.
She is reading a book.
Present continuous.
Good. Now tell me the difference.
First one means she reads books in general.
Yes.
Second one means she is reading a book right now.
Perfect.
I feel smart today.
Enjoy the feeling.
Let's make it a bit fun.
I'll say a sentence and you tell me if it's correct.
Challenge accepted. I am loving pizza.
Incorrect.
Why?
Because love is usually not used in present continuous.
Wait, why not?
Some verbs are state verbs.
State verbs.
Yes, they describe feelings, thoughts, or states, not actions.
So we don't usually say I am loving.
Right, we say, I love pizza.
Got it.
Another example, I know the answer.
Not I am knowing.
Exactly.
Wow, English is tricky.
It can be, but you're doing great.
Thanks, Anna.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me, okay?
Yes, teacher Anna.
I eat breakfast every day.
I eat breakfast every day.
Good. Feel the difference?
Yes, one is routine, one is now.
Exactly.
Let's do more daily examples.
Sure. You go to the gym.
Habit.
You are going to the gym.
Maybe right now or today.
Nice.
Let's bring in some real-life situations.
Okay, imagine this. I call you.
All right.
Hey, Anna, what do you do?
That sounds like a job question.
Yes.
I would say I work as a teacher.
Present simple.
Yes.
Now I ask, what are you doing?
Different meaning.
Right.
Okay, I might say I am cooking dinner.
Present continuous.
Exactly. So the question changes the tense.
Yes, very important.
Okay, let's do a short role play.
I love role plays.
I'll start.
Go ahead.
Hey, Anna, what do you usually do in the evening?
I usually watch TV and read books.
Nice. What are you doing right now?
I am talking to you, obviously.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Your turn.
Okay, what do you do on weekends?
I visit my family.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am traveling to another city.
That's cool.
See? Real life English.
I like this.
Let's add some expressions.
Yes, I love expressions.
For present simple, we often use words like always, usually, often, sometimes.
Exactly. For example, I always wake up early.
Good.
I usually drink tea.
Perfect.
What about present continuous?
we use words like now, right now, at the moment.
I am studying right now.
Yes.
She is working at the moment.
Perfect.
This is actually fun.
Let's make it a little funny.
Okay, I'm ready. I eat chocolate.
Normal.
I am eating chocolate.
Also normal.
I am always eating chocolate.
That's a problem.
Hey.
It sounds like a bad habit.
Okay, fair.
Actually, when we say always with present continuous,
Oh, interesting.
it shows irritation or something annoying.
Like,
You are always coming late.
like complaining.
Yes.
That's useful.
Very useful.
Let's try more.
Okay.
He always forgets his keys.
Present simple.
He is always forgetting his keys.
That sounds like you're annoyed.
Yes, like again?
Exactly.
I like this detail.
Me too.
Let's do a quick speaking practice.
Yes, everyone, speak with us.
Repeat. I work every day.
Your turn.
I am working right now.
Good.
She plays the piano.
Repeat.
She is playing the piano.
Nice.
I feel like we're helping people.
We are.
That makes me happy.
Me too, Tom.
Okay, quick question for you, Anna.
Yes?
Can we use present continuous for the future?
Oh, good question.
I'm getting advanced now.
Yes, you are.
So?
Yes, we can.
Really?
Yes, for planned future actions.
Example.
I am meeting my friend tomorrow.
Oh,
It's already planned.
that's cool.
English is flexible.
I'm starting to like it more.
Good.
Okay, I think I need a small break.
Already?
My brain is working hard.
Or is it is working?
Haha, very funny.
All right, let's pause here.
But don't go anywhere.
Because in the next part,
We'll do more practice, a fun story.
and real-life conversations that will help you remember everything.
And maybe I'll stop making mistakes.
No promises.
Okay, my brain is still working.
Good. Or should I say your brain is working right now?
Wow, Anna, you really are enjoying this.
I am enjoying this, yes.
See, I noticed that. Present continuous.
I'm proud again.
All right, let's continue. You promised a story.
Yes, a short, simple story to help everyone understand both tenses naturally.
I like stories. They make everything easier.
Okay, listen carefully.
I'm listening.
So, there's a guy named Jake.
Okay.
Jake works in a bank.
Present simple.
Yes, it's his regular job.
Got it.
Every day, he wakes up at 7 a.m.
Routine again.
He drinks coffee, eats breakfast, and goes to work.
Very normal life.
Yes, but today is different.
Oh, drama.
Today, Jake is not working in the bank.
Present continuous.
Yes, he is sitting at home
Why?
because he is feeling sick.
Poor Jake.
He is watching TV and drinking tea.
That sounds kind of nice, actually.
Tom,
I mean, I hope he gets better.
so do you see the difference?
Yes, his normal life uses present simple.
And what is happening now uses present continuous.
That story really helps.
Good. Stories are powerful.
Let's make it interactive.
Yes.
I'll ask questions about Jake.
And I'll answer.
Where does Jake work?
He works in a bank.
What is he doing right now?
He is resting at home.
What does he do every morning?
He wakes up, drinks coffee, and goes to work.
What is he doing today?
He's staying home and watching TV.
Perfect.
Now you try, everyone watching.
Yes. Answer out loud.
What do you do every day?
Say it.
Now, what are you doing right now?
Speak.
This is how you improve.
Not just watching, but speaking.
Exactly.
Let's do a fun mini dialogue.
Okay, I'll start.
Go ahead.
Hey, Tom, what do you do?
I work as a designer.
Nice. What are you doing now?
I am talking to you and learning English.
Good answer.
Your turn.
Hey, Tom, where do you live?
I live in a small city.
What are you doing these days?
I am studying for my exams.
Very realistic.
I'm trying to sound serious.
You are doing a good job.
Thank you.
Let's add more daily use phrases.
Yes, this is important.
Repeat after me.
Ready?
I usually wake up late.
I usually wake up late.
I am waking up early these days.
I am waking up early these days.
Good. Notice that these days can also use present continuous.
Because it's temporary,
Exactly.
like a change in routine.
Yes.
Let's try another.
I eat junk food.
I eat junk food.
I am eating healthy food these days.
I am eating healthy food these days.
Good.
I should actually do that in real life.
Same here.
Let's add some phrasal verbs.
Oh, nice. Advanced level.
Not too advanced, simple ones.
Okay.
Okay. Wake up.
Present simple. I wake up at 7.
Present continuous. I am waking up earlier these days.
Good.
Get up.
I get up at 7.
I am getting up earlier these days.
Perfect.
Hang out.
I hang out with friends on weekends.
I am hanging out with my friends right now.
Perfect.
Work on.
I work on many projects.
I am working on a new project,
That's very useful in real life.
especially for work conversations.
Yes.
Let's create a longer, natural conversation.
Okay, like real friends talking.
I'll start.
Go.
Hey, Anna, what do you usually do after work?
I usually go home, cook dinner, and relax.
Sounds nice. What are you doing today?
I am meeting a friend for dinner.
Oh, where are you going?
We're going to a new restaurant.
That sounds fun. I usually stay at home.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm watching a movie.
Alone?
Yes, don't judge me.
I'm not judging, I'm just surprised.
Wow.
Just kidding.
Okay, your turn to ask.
Okay. Tom, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Healthy. What are you eating today?
I'm eating nothing.
That's not healthy.
I woke up late.
You are always waking up late.
Hey, that's rude. But true.
See, I used always with present continuous.
Yes, and it sounds like you're complaining.
Because I am.
Fair enough.
Let's do a quick correction game.
I love this part.
I'll say a sentence, you fix it.
Okay.
I am go to school every day.
Wrong. I go to school every day.
Good.
My turn.
Okay.
She is play the piano now.
Wrong. She is playing the piano now.
Nice.
Another one. I am knowing the answer.
I know the answer.
Perfect.
This is actually helping a lot.
That's the goal.
Let's do a speaking challenge.
Yes.
Speaking challenge 1. Your daily routine.
I wake up at 7, I go to work, and I come home at 6.
Good. Speaking challenge 2. What you are doing now.
I am watching this video and learning English.
Perfect. Speaking challenge 3. Temporary habit.
I am exercising more these days.
Excellent. This feels real,
Because it is real English.
not just textbook English.
Exactly.
Let's quickly summarize.
Good idea.
Present simple.
For habits, routines, and facts.
Present continuous.
For actions happening now or temporary situations.
Also for planned future.
Yes.
And don't use continuous with state verbs like know, love.
Perfect summary.
I feel like a teacher now.
You are becoming one.
Should I start my own channel?
Let's not go that far.
Okay, I'll stay here.
Good choice.
Before we finish,
Yes?
let's ask our viewers something.
Oh yes, comment question.
All right, everyone, answer this in the comments.
What do you usually do in the morning?
And what are you doing right now?
Write both sentences.
We will read them.
Yes, we love reading your comments.
And we might reply too.
If Tom is not sleeping.
Hey.
Just kidding.
All right, time to say goodbye.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We really hope this lesson helped you understand present simple and present continuous.
Keep practicing every day.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Because mistakes help you learn.
Exactly.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
And we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye!
Bye, everyone.